Welcome to the Greek House Kitchen. This is where you want to be in Palmetto Bay for a yummy, delicious, warm, nutritious meal. I'm going inside with my boy Hammy, and we're going to check out the food that Athanasios has prepared for us and anybody else who wants to stop on by.
Hello, welcome to Greek House.
Oh, thank you.
We're right with you, sir.
We're here today with Athanasios at his authentic Greek restaurant here in Palmetto Bay. He's come all the way from Greece to serve you a fine meal that he grew up with. He brought the recipe with you.
Yes. We're cooking original Greek recipes who I bring from Greece. I learned to cook from my mother. I was 11 years old, and she taught me how she learned from her mother, from my grandmother. So we make this recipe, I don't know, maybe 60, 70, 80 years, maybe more.
And you've been enjoying it the whole time since you were a little boy.
Yes, for baby, for little baby.
And you are preparing the lemon chicken soup?
Lemon chicken soup, I've got lemon on. This is my favorite soup. And this is, every time we was sick, my mother make this soup to take power.
That's right, chicken soup is good for you.
Yeah.
And the lemon makes it zesty.
Yeah. This is the chicken breast.
Mm-hmm.
We cut in small pieces. We have it here ready. And I put in the pan to cook, to boil. And then we put the rest from the ingredients.
All right, sounds good.
So we prepare the ingredients: celery, carrots, onion. We cut in small cubes, and we wait to cook first the chicken. To put after this the rest of the ingredients. And we have in here the
Special ingredients?
special ingredients: salt, pepper, and some
The secret ingredient?
secret ingredients.
Fabulous.
We need a little bit time to cook the meat.
How long are we going to cook the soup? How long is it going to take?
All together with the meat between 40 and 45 minutes.
And we're going to add the rice?
The last 20 minutes we add the rice and the vegetables. And if the rice is ready,
And the rice we're using is a long grain?
the long grain, the normal rice.
So there's no cream? It's just a water-based soup?
No, no. A skit, a secret.
Oh, the secret.
Come in the end. Our meat is almost ready. We need to put inside the rest of the ingredients to finish the soup. We need to put the onion, the carrots and the celery. And we put also the rice.
We're down to the last 20 minutes.
Yes.
And the rice is dropping into dry.
We added olive oil. And we added our secret ingredients.
Ah, the secret
spices,
ingredient.
the Greek spices. Now we wait more or less 20 minutes. Thus the vegetables and the rice is ready. And then we have almost ready the soup.
I think that means there's one ingredient left. What's that? Love?
Love. Every time if somebody makes something with love, they make correct and beautiful. Almost ready, but we need to prepare something extra to make the avgolemono soup, because now it's only chicken soup, but we need to make avgolemono soup, and avgolemono has egg lemon soup.
So you're making a special mix back there of lemons.
Yes, I can show you. We have 2 eggs. We put here. We must put good. And my helper, give me lemon. Poco.
Is there anything else in there? Is there lemon and water?
Lemon and only lemon.
You squeezed a lot of lemons.
Lady. Now we bring the sopa here. It's finished. The soup is hot. And now we take juice for the sopa and we put here. A little by little, because the egg takes the temperature for the sopa. If the temperature is almost the same, then this is the big secret. You come here inside. And now our soup is ready to eat. Good appetit. We test the soup. And it's perfect.
¿Te lo quieres comer todo?
You gotta try this though. Look at this. I'm eating the beef and lamb gyro. Delicioso. This is great. Man, I love it.
How's it, kids?
It's so delicious. And it tastes like lemon a little.
That's the good food speaking to you. How you doing? Oh, you just want to get in there and try some more, don't you?
And the salad's very good too. The best dessert ever.
You gonna let your brother have a bite?
It's the food of the angels.
I love these kids.
We're so lucky to have Athanasios here with us in Palmetto Bay. This is where you're going to find the finest, authentic Greek food.
Thank you.
Hey.